What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Fishing con Velasquez. Today it's a little bit of a bittersweet day. As you can see, check out my classroom walls. They are empty. I took everything off. Sadly, these seats will be empty for the summer. School will be over in exactly 2 days. And I stayed a little late today to get all this stuff done. Promotion is just a couple days away. But today I will be going out to a pond nearby where I know there's some good sized fish there. However, there's probably not that much quantity of fish there, but definitely there's some quality fish there. Hopefully in these next hour and a half or 2 hours that I'm gonna fish this pond, hopefully we can land some big ones. It's about a 15-minute drive from here. We will see you out there. Let's see what we can catch today, guys. I'm throwing the drop shot around. Anytime I come to this little pond, I always finesse fish them because there's usually a lot of pressure here. Just a RoboWorm. This pond, it's really shallow. I mean, I am sure it does not go, the deepest part does not go past 10 feet. So, and right now that is pretty warm. I mean, my technique would be, or my strategy, I will cast as far as I can to target those deeper areas, and try to leave the RoboWorm there as long as I can. There we go. Come on, little one. Come on, guys. Well, hopefully I can get a little bit bigger one here. I'm still targeting the same exact spot where I caught that previous fish. RoboWorm, drop shot. Keep it in a strike zone as long as possible. Here we go. Got one. Ooh. No. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Huh? You gonna take it? Why? Then I can't catch him anymore. I switched over to a 7-inch worm, curly tail worm, Texas rigged. Sorry for the noise in the background. They're doing construction here nearby, and I know there's big ones in here. I know there is, but I just have never been able to catch anything here other than on a finesse tactic. There's always tons of people here fishing it. Maybe that has something to do with it, but hopefully I can catch a big one. If not, I'm going to switch to the Ned rig. Well, guys, I had to do it. I had to bring out the Ned rig. I want to catch a few more fish before the time runs out, because I know it's going to be time to go home soon. Hopefully they want this Ned rig. Dragging it. There we go. Fish on. Ooh, much better. Much better one than the previous two. Come on. Stay down. Stay down. Don't jump. Come on, guys. Here we go.